Hello there everybody, this is Rodrigo with DripWorks, and today we're going to be discussing how to install and program the Galcon EZ program timer. Galcon manufactures this timer with a sturdy and compact sleeve that helps protect the panel from any kind of weather. It also works with any kind of male hose thread fittings and works between 15 and 100 psi. It only needs one 9-volt battery. Setting up the TGN EZ program timer only takes about a minute. So let's start. Select the irrigation duration using the arrow buttons on the left side of the keypad. An arrow will appear on the screen next to the selected time. Once you've selected the duration time, move on to selecting the irrigation cycle time. This is the time between each irrigation cycle using the arrow buttons on the right side of the keypad. An arrow will appear on the screen next to the selected cycle time. When you're ready to start the cycle, press the cycle start button. It is important to note what time you're selecting to begin the cycle, because this will determine the irrigation time. For example, I have selected the 30-minute duration with an irrigation cycle of every 1 day. It is 9 a.m. right now, so my next cycle will start at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Remember to use an industrial alkaline 9-volt battery, and check on your timer once every month to ensure that it's working properly. You will want to make sure you use a clean water source. If your water source does have debris or some kind of organic material, you'll want to use a filter. And from your friends and family at DripWorks, I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.